What's good, YouTube? It's that guy Dub, and I'm back with another video. How y'all doing? At the end of the day, shout it, I'm good money. What we got going on today, we're going to a car show where me and my buddy Mark, we're bringing out our lowriders. You know what I'm saying? Now, not your traditional lowriders. I think if you guys been keeping up with the channel, you know I got the 64 Impala from Red Cat, and now I got the 79 Monte Carlo from Red Cat. So you guys stay tuned. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe if you're new here. Let's get the day started. We're about to see some really cool cars, guys.
Heck yeah, guys.
Chain steering. Look at that, guys.
Woodwork is top notch back here. Got some good woodwork back here.
Hey, Redneck, you see the bottle of Jack Daniels? Look in here.
Yeah, I did. Put it out there. Yeah.
Yeah. That is slick right there. Watch yourself.
Pay attention to cameras and not the ground. Yeah.
Trey, pick it up and bring it over there. Yeah, bring it. Yeah. All right, guys, we're back. You were saying we had broke out the lowriders, and his ass is fired. I'm fired. So we're gonna walk around and get y'all some car content. All right, here we go. Okay. Durango RT.
That's a fast way to bring the groceries home, bro.
Yeah. Use it. A lot of people. Yes.
Tunnel ram on that Nova.
Yes.
Nice.
Good God, man. Great. Keep up, buddy. Yeah. That's dope right there. Got some bikes out here. How we doing?
Getting in there anyway. You didn't have that on there.
Yeah. That's nice right there.
It's very nice.
Tell me something about this one. You know,
1970 Chevelle. Fender emblem says 400. Only 110. But it's got center bolt valve covers, so that's actually an LT series engine with Vortec heads.
okay.
See the triple triangle casting? That's a Vortec head.
Okay.
So that would be an LT series small block.
Yeah. Okay. He said, why do you not touch car show cars?
Two reasons. One, because it's tens of thousands of dollars to put a car together like this and to maintain it. And also, it's just the bro code. It's just respect for other people's property.
Right.
You don't roll up on somebody's ride and touch it because you wouldn't want somebody rolling up and touching your ride. So
right.
It's just a mutual respect thing.
Yeah.
Oh, now this car had some insane metal flake in it too.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, you can see it on the back fender.
Okay. I don't know if you guys can pick it up on camera. He said, look at the flakes in that. I don't know if y'all guys can see that, but I mean, it is flicking. How we doing?
That's pretty.
Can't complain, man. Just walking around, get some content. I'm a YouTuber, so.
Are you?
Yeah, we're all YouTubers now, shit.
They don't make claims no more.
No, they don't. They don't.
Especially with the metal flake, that's pretty.
Yeah.
That's real pretty.
And I definitely like how the grills use it. Love that. Mm-hmm. So how long have you had it?
I just had it for like 3 months.
Okay.
Sitting in some old garage all filthy.
So was it bought or built?
It was built.
Nice. You see that? That's when you show the love for it, you build it. So we just get a quick walk around of it.
Well, 83 years old, that car.
Jesus.
1939.
Wow. So you had the interiors redone. I like that.
See, you got me. All I know is 58 flat.
Okay.
I couldn't tell you. Okay. It's 86.
Okay, yeah, now y'all can see the metal flake in there.
That's what I like about it.
Definitely.
Even got the custom pinstriping on the front of the hood.
Yeah.
All over the grill.
I mean, and he did a great job on the bumper. There's no swirls in it or nothing. That is sick.
Well, that's just an old body, man. There, that's all.
And then you see something else. And then you see something else. That's a beautiful truck.
This is yours?
Beautiful.
Oh my God. Yes, I don't know if you saw us earlier with the guys that had the RC cars.
Oh, okay. I saw them out there, yeah.
Yeah. And the bed looks beautiful too. Mm-hmm. It does. Yeah.
Oh wow, look at that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah. And
That's amazing.
yes. I mean, look how smooth it is. That is sick. That is.
All that stainless stuff.
Mhm.
That's
Goodness,
Hey, better call it exterminator. Got a spider on that thing. And then I think, yeah, there is. There's a butterfly on the hood.
Oh, that's cool.
Uh-huh. Yeah, and also look what's in the back.
Oh.
Yeah. That's the FAFO bottle.
Yeah. Would you mind holding the camera for
Sure.
a little bit?
And that even says supercharged. Very nice. Now those are the wheels I was talking about.
Oh.
That's on this Mustang here. That's the set of wheels that I have for my car.
Oh, okay.
I gotta,
Looks sick on that.
and I couldn't pass it up for what I got them for. So that's a pretty GT. That Monte Carlo back here was making a bunch of noise when we came in.
Yeah.
Nice clean stock. Right down to the window louver. Chrome exhaust. And then there was this here that was rattling everybody's windows when it came in. Right.
Those half lights?
What's that?
Those half lights?
Oh, the chrome covers.
Yes.
Yep. It's just like a, I don't exactly know how they go on, but even when you turn the headlights on, I mean, they're nice and bright, but yeah, it's like I remember a lot of the old school hot rods had them. But that is a very clean Monte Carlo.
Yes, it is.
That was like I said, that was one that was making everybody's windows rattle.
Right.
Uh-oh, now I see one of my personal favorites up here. Here we go. Here's a Corvair.
It's not
You want
we saw last time was green.
Correct.
Yeah.
And what's always fun with these is you tell somebody to check the oil and they go to open the hood and they find out there is no engine there because it is a rotary engine in the back.
Yeah.
Nice little 4-speed Corvair. Interesting fact about the Corvair, right here, the emblem here on the back, the number is the horsepower rating for the engine.
Really?
They made I think it was a 110, a 140, and 155 horse rotary engine in the Corvair, but that's about all I know about them.
What's a later model?
I want to say this one's like a 65 maybe.
Because I don't remember the back window being so small.
That is sick.
But then,
Great. Come on, buddy.
now we have a Ford Gran Torino.
Starsky and Hutch car?
Not only Starsky and Hutch, but remember the Clint Eastwood movie Gran Torino?
Yeah.
How many miles?
That is a,
Got 36,000 miles on it.
I can believe it, because if you look under the hood, 351, and you're reading that right, it runs on regular gas.
What's the 2V?
2-valve.
Oh.
2-valve 351.
Okay.
Don't ask me what year. I couldn't tell you. I'm going to guess maybe 71 or 72.
What's going on, fellas?
Yeah, how we doing?
Not too much. Now, what is this, 71 or 2?
It's 2.
72. Thank you. Beautiful Torino.
Original paint?
I think so. It's been touched up in like I think so.
Nice.
Automatic car on the column. Beautiful Gran Torino Sport. With the original shaker hood. And then we had this sneak in a little while ago. Toyota Supra. For all of you Fast and Furious fans, Toyota Supra is actually exceptionally clean Supra. Standard shift. Very clean interior, targa top. Complete with your spoiler.
Barrett Jackson was the Hero 2 car.
Was that what it was?
That went for 500.
Okay. And if you look at the emblem here, absolutely, Toyota Supra Turbo. I must have missed that when we were up under the hood. Let's go back up there and check that out.
I went over to his house the one day. I told him, I said, what you got in that garage? He said,
Very nice.
I said, why is that?
Like that shirt. Is that for that YouTuber?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's his name?
The Amazing Lucas.
Megan. That's right. That's right.
Very cool.
I'm like, what the world? He said, just looking at me. And I saw a big thing.
Kind of an unsuspecting Chevy, but I already see a little something something. Uh-huh. Cold air intake. Yep, this would effectively take your grocery money.
It's got a big alternator. That's the secret.
Is that what it is? It's the cheater alternator? There you go. Now, is that now what engine is that? Is that the 5.3?
It's a 4.8.
It's a 4.8, really?
Yep. Little head skim 4.8. Sounds mean. Ain't that fast, but sounds mean.
Famous last words. When you show somebody your tailgate for $100.50, yeah, exactly. Very clean. Very cool. Very cool. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bless you, by the way.
Thank you.
What do we have? Uh-oh.
This is what I'm talking
A little more. There we go.
Big car.
Very nice. Camaro Essa. What's that?
You got a helmet in the back.
We have a what? Was that a FAFO safety feature? Yes, it is. And the Go Fast standard shift. Oh yeah.
What these tail lights? You said it's cool that you said he kept the badges on the front and the rear.
Mhm. Very cool.
Yeah.
Well, let's see what else we can find hiding here in the row.
Suicide tailgate.
What do we have? Where?
2 cars over.
Okay.
My central department, literally right over there, I have a spectrum. You're the only person I've ever seen out here. I asked one. Honestly, I was hoping maybe there might be a chance to park somewhere where maybe I might go move my car around.
Was it this one you were talking about? I know my girl would love that color. Green, her favorite color. That is definitely different how they did the... My bad.
Looking at the truck.
That's actually pretty cool.
That's why you're sitting there.
Aha! He was hiding the tunes. Now we know who's got all the strong sounds up in here.
Okay, now you said like, I'm not that really sure. What is the point of the Canberra games?
You can only go so low before you get tired on a wide tire.
Oh, okay.
There's no aspect.
Okay. Got you.
Sometimes it's
Now, if you were here last year, I think I remember this car. I remember those wheels especially.
Yeah. Because that's the one I said I'll be terrified to get out of or have somebody get out of, because if you step on the side of them, whooping your ass.
Well, my thing is as low as these cars are, it's not fluffy guy friendly. I would throw your weight distribution off something fierce if I got in this car. Ooh. We got the seat bar, we got strut tower bracing, and then oh my god, that's very well detailed. I wouldn't know the first thing of what I'm looking at, but it is actually pretty doggone dope.
Yeah.
So if you're in the comments section and you know what this car is, put it up in the comments and shout out what you think that engine is. That's pretty cool.
You're saying one of those side-mounted engines.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you see it? Side
You want?
Oh yeah.
You want her back? Okay.
Yeah. I never understood how that worked.
Well, for the transaxle, because it's front wheel drive.
Right.
Your transmission's over here. The transaxle half shafts go out to the front tire. So
Gotcha.
that's why you got to mount them that way.
Oh, okay. That's cool. You all right, buddy? Okay. Wow. This carbon fiber.
Subaru STI.
Yeah. See, it's like, I like to look at these cars on like video games and stuff like that, but like, because you don't see them that often in person, you know what I'm saying?
My Uncle Rob actually has the station wagon version of this. He bought it new. It's been his daily driver. Thunderbird.
Yeah, buddy. Been his daily driver?
It's his daily driver.
Okay.
But he takes him to the track religiously.
Wow.
It's a turbo 6-speed car.
Uh-oh. That might have been that antifreeze you were smelling.
Could very well be.
Stupid.
You didn't have the camera on. But
No, I didn't. You want to sit down again? All right, sit down and stay right there, okay? Trey, wait till we come back. You stay right there, okay? Do not move. Stay right. We're just walking down here and coming back. Yeah.
Roll pans in front.
Yeah. Is that metal? Is that a fiberglass? Was that fiberglass?
I would think it is. That's a pretty slick car.
Yeah. I always liked them steering wheels.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Funny story. You said you ever been to Georgia?
Oh yeah.
I was at the Underground, and we went on this class field trip and shit, and they had one of those little quarter machines, but it had a steering wheel like that. I mean, we're in the middle of a field trip, and I stick my finger in one of the things. I couldn't get the Yeah, that was you said a painful 20 minutes. Definitely a painful 20 minutes. Okay. Where's the plate? Oh. I don't think he had one on the front either.
Now that, hey. So how did he get here with no plate?
I got nothing. Oh, that is sick. And this one's almost touching the floor.
We got neon gorillas and Mercedes.
Oh, come check out this shifter. That shifter is nice too. And he's got a fucking LCD screen in there too.
Oh,
Yeah. I like that. He says on the back, it says, "I'm not drunk, I'm avoiding potholes."
Right.
And see, I like that style right there.
Notched in bags.
Yeah. And the wheels set it off too. Go perfect. You saying black and chrome, the back and black and brush. I mean, because the brush matches, you know, like that, and then the chrome lip usually matches the trim and stuff like that. That's nice.
Yeah, of course, your standard issue V8.
Yeah. Wow. That's slick. Old Ram. That bed is long as shit. That bed is long as shit. Back when they had the hood emblems.
Right.
Is
it just me or is his lights on?
No, I don't think they're on.
I think they are.
Oh yeah, his marker lights are on. Yeah. Yep, he's fired.
They're on. Yeah.
Yep, he's fired.
I don't want to touch nobody's vehicle.
Right, but he's definitely fired.
He's fired. He's fired and he's gonna need it.
He's fired for the reason I was fired last time.
Oh. Oh. Damn. Your ass is fired. You need your sound bite for that.
Yes.
Oh, there you go. There's your G-body.
Yes, sir, Bob. That is sick.
What was you saying about station wagons here a while ago?
I forgot.
Yeah. Especially when you roll up on that one.
Yeah. Yeah, I like the light, the way the lights are set up in the back.
Teardrop.
Yeah.
Almost looks like fangs, don't it?
Yeah, it does. This one, you said, guessing, looks like a
I
wrap.
wonder if that's paint or a wrap.
I think it's a wrap. Yeah, I think it's a wrap. And it's like, I mean, this thing is murdered out black.
For real.
Even, but it's like blacked out the badge too.
Yeah, they did. It's pretty though. It's pretty and it is not speed bump friendly.
Yeah. V series. I think this is a GT5V. Yeah, I think it's a GT5V.
Now, what's the difference between that and the CTSV?
This is faster.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think it's got a twin turbo in it.
Oh.
Yeah. And most times people who own those and start hooking them up, they take badges off, so you don't, because they kind of fair to the CTSV.
Okay.
Yeah, so
They
if
want you to roll up on it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh man. Hellcat. Oh.
color looks kind of familiar.
Yes, it does, and he's ready to bust some ass.
I would say so. Street slicks on the back.
Uh-huh. BFNY Performance. I don't know if he's doing that, but you never know these days.
What's that?
I don't know if he's doing that.
Oh.
But he's in a Hellcat. And that supercharger, I love that style of supercharger. And then you saying how they did it. You saying like, you know how let's talk about with that one car with like the hood being
It's all color coordinated.
yeah. And then you saying the carbon fiber stripes.
That looks really nice.
Mm-hmm. Yep, it's a red eye. Yep. You know it's a red eye because of that green belt. Come on, buddy.
What's significant about the green belt? Supercharger.
It's stronger.
Okay.
You said to go with the pulleys.
Okay.
You said because when you're pumping out that much horsepower, you need to spin them pulleys. You need the strongest shit you can get. Yeah.
No.
Yeah, definitely. SS, but yeah. Chevelle SS 66. That's how you feeling, my guy? Tell YouTube what up. The Nomad. That paint looks really good on that one.
Are you filming?
Yes.
Okay. Sir? Is this considered a Nomad or a sedan delivery because it doesn't have the back windows?
Right on the second now. I don't even know why you said that.
Well, I was asking, that's all.
No, it's a sedan delivery.
Sedan.
Correct.
Okay.
No rear windows, but that doesn't hold true. They made window deliveries too.
Oh, did they?
Yeah, what designates a sedan delivery is a one-piece tailgate that's hinged at the top.
As opposed to the Nomad, which is that and one that goes. Okay.
That is.
Glass in the back and the lift-up tailgate.
Okay.
And they made them that had steel on one side and glass on the other.
And what would that be for?
That's a sedan delivery too. They were special order for U.S. forestry.
Okay.
Yeah, these cars are noted for tremendous blind spots. You can't see when getting over. You gotta rely on the mirrors and stuff all the time.
And then the mirrors are tiny, so
Yeah, right.
Well, when I saw you pull in, he had asked, and I was like, well, I don't know if it's A or B, and just thankful that he was in the car, so he'd asked. Thank you.
Definitely, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Clears it up a little bit. A lot of people consider it a Nomad, but it's not really a station wagon either.
Right.
Right,
It's a truck. It's titled as a truck.
right.
Oh, is it really?
Yes, it is.
It's titled as a truck.
I got the big. They had a station wagon convention up at the Holiday Inn a couple years ago in Belden Village. And I brought this over, and they wouldn't leave my buddy in. He had a Falcon station wagon, which looks like a van. They said, "No, it's a van." I said, "No, it's titled as a station wagon."
Yeah.
And I said, "Well, what do you consider this?" He says, "This is a station wagon." I says, "Wrong. I don't even want to come to your show to call this a station wagon." Oh yeah.
Well, thank you very much for clearing things, and it's a beautiful car.
Thank you.
Beautiful car.
Thank
No,
you.
thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Anytime, that's what we're here for.
Yeah. I love the using the striping.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You said just subtle enough to just sit right using, because you know some people overdo it.
Yeah, it bring those colors and the stripes, bring out the colors of what this changes to.
Yeah. Right.
This is one of those cars where the only thing I would change is the name on the title.
That's a good one.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Beautiful car.
You too. Hey, you guys. Still out here kicking it, man. We're having a good time, man. Meet some amazing people. Like I said,
It's always a good crowd here.
Yeah.
Friendly crowd here.
yeah, definitely.
you know, he was willing to see. He dispelled the myth because when he pulled in, we're like, well, what is that? Is it a Nomad or is it a sedan delivery? See, and he was cool enough. He cleared it up for
Yeah.
us. That's awesome.
Yeah. Let's check out.
Oh,
Like
look at
this.
those.
Yeah.
Holy
Yeah.
crap.
I'm thinking about getting some of those for my rig. It's-
Yeah, you don't want to walk close to that trunk.
Yeah.
That'll
Cummins turbo diesel.
that'd be an excuse me shit.
Yep, yep. Wait, buddy. 24s.
That's cool though.
Yeah.
It's a pretty truck.
Oh wow, he's got the lights in his wheels.
Oh man, it's a beautiful truck, but I need full ibuprofen to get in and out of it.
All right. And he has no electric step bars. He has to jump. No, he does not.
Oh,
So he's gonna have to
so
to
that
jump.
means he's got legs up to here.
Yeah.
Oh, he's got color change behind them.
Yeah.
I didn't even see that on the other side. That's cool.
Yeah. Trying to see the damn wheel size. I'm thinking they're 26s.
Oh,
26s, yeah.
26?
Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, man.
that's all right.
Trans Am right here.
And not just anyone. That emblem on there.
Mhm.
It's a pace car.
Oh, wow. Wow. Indianapolis Motor Speedway.
Now, normally the pace cars would have a decal in the door that would say the event that it was from, but I just happened to see the decal under there.
I mean, with a small like that, it's nice and subtle, you know? Yeah.
Man, that's a turbo car.
4.9. Uncle Bill's got one of those.
What's that? Ford pickup?
Mm-hmm.
What is that another F100, I think?
I think so.
That's his character.
Yeah.
They got, look at all the chrome on the sides. You know, the bumper, the grill's got stainless, it's got chrome, it's got, I mean, it just has character.
Yeah. I mean, that is this kid. Hold on.
What?
A Firebird.
And if I'm not mistaken, I believe it has an in-hood tack as well.
Mm-hmm.
That's a pretty car.
Yeah.
Been in Florida for 40 years. Already was in New York, California. Okay, cars, deep blowing.
There you go. How we doing? Man,
What's that?
I said, like the tailpipes. Watch yourself, buddy. Okay, you gotta pay attention to where you're walking. Okay.
This is the guy that was talking to us a while ago. This is the shop truck he was talking
Right. Yeah, because you some talking. Oh my God, look at this shifter.
Oh, wow.
That is
Now
dope.
that is a new rendition of a pistol grip shifter.
Right.
It's for real.
That is sick.
That's cool. I've never seen somebody do that before.
I mean,
That's a first.
it just goes to show you how creative people are. You know what I'm saying? Trey. This is
What's that?
what is this? Model T, ain't it?
No.
What?
I forget what they call. I forget what they call this body. Truthfully, I want to say. I'd be a liar if I said anything right now.
Right.
I'm having a bit of brain fade.
It happens.
I'm just digging the injection unit.
Mm-hmm. Using the running boards, extra long running boards and stuff. There we go.
No, it just ain't a car show without a lime green duster.
Yeah, buddy.
Look, that's pretty.
Yeah. You see the cluster on the dash? Oh, here we go. Uh-oh. They got the skeleton in the front seat. Okay. I like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that. Is this your car? Thank you for your service. Oh, thank you guys, man. And the paint looks really good too. I like that.
Now, same thing. As the guy just schooled us. This is the 57 version of it. All one-piece tailgate, no windows on the sides.
Yeah. Yeah. That's nice. I guess we'll get over down here. Nice Cutlass over there. The 85, 86. You know, we passed Walmart on the way in.
Okay.
Well, over there, you said like right in front before like you get to the Walmart, like there, and then across the street at where the T-Mobile and shit, they used to have this there. Okay. But I guess they figured out more room over here.
More room here?
Yeah. Okay. Walk. Oh. There we go.
Working on them. Still Hellcat on the tires. Well, no, that's a
About a 67.
What, the Impala?
Yes, but a 67.
I think it's a 9. And it's a rag top.
Yep. I guess my man, he's in the 2 Hellcats. He's like, we want to be seen again.
I guess. That Monte Carlo was here the last time.
Yes, it was.
I remember that car.
Yeah.
That was another window shaker.
Pretty nice. This is a 392. Well, that's the 345. My bad. There you go.
That coupe is pretty.
Yes, it is.
When that thing rolled in, I couldn't believe just how bright that white is.
Yeah. And you can tell this don't come out much at all.
This is ultra clean though.
Yeah.
Ultra clean.
I mean, goodness gracious, and that interior is sick. Yeah, that interior is nasty.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Big guy can't get in that one. That's a beautiful car, though.
You can get in, you just won't get out.
Without some assistance. Baby. That's a beautiful car, though.
Yeah. There you go.
See, there's your Corvair. He's got the trunk open, so you can actually see the rotary engine.
Mm-hmm. He was funny as shit.
Mm-hmm.
Look at me. And he's 5'6", about 120 pounds.
Really?
Yeah. Really short guy.
That's. And what's cool is that you got dual carburetors on each side. When you first step on the gas, the linkage will only open on the one on the left. The harder you press the gas, the linkage will cross over, opens up the other carburetor. Now the Corsa model of this, the 155 or the 145 horse car, will have 4 carburetors, 4 one-barrel carburetors with a progressive linkage.
Okay.
First gear, 1 carburetor. When you get into second gear, getting into the gas, 2 carburetors. Once you finally get into 4th gear, then all 4 carburetors are open.
So that's like pretty innovative then, right?
It was definitely a bit ahead of its time. The Corvair was an interesting car. One of the characteristics that the car had going down the road, because it was a rotary engine and the transaxle in the back, it had a tendency to float a little side to side when you get it up to highway speed. It takes a little getting used to driving it. The second car that I ever restored with a good friend of mine was a 65 Corvair.
Nice.
And it took a little getting used to driving it, but they're a neat car. They're really a neat car.
Definitely. So I wonder if he's gonna keep going with it. Just gonna keep it original like it looks.
Could very well be.
Yeah. There we go. Yeah.
You know he's fired.
Yeah.
He's fired.
Yeah. I guess we'll cut back through here. Take a look at this. This Bel Air looks nice, man.
There's a sinister duo here.
Oh, God, forget it.
This one's clean.
Oh, very much so.
Yeah.
Air conditioning. Carbureted. Very nice.
Yeah, definitely.
Now look at what you got in the neighbor.
Right.
Oops.
Your ass is fired.
Oops.
Yep. LS swapped.
2-quart fuel injected LT series small block. And if that upper cowl is any indication of what it was donated out of, I'm sure that will effectively relocate the rear tires.
Yes, definitely. I like it when they do everybody likes the original engine, blah, 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 blah. But you said that the LS swaps, you know what I'm saying, like, I like it.
Yep.
I don't have a problem with it.
Look at the subtlety on this car.
Oh my God. Look at the hood. Like, jeez.
The fender.
I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, but yeah, man, that is crazy. Those are for real ghost flames.
Right.
Okay. That is nice. You good?